Hello everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to make a backup or a duplicate of your projects in DaVinci Resolve. So the first one we're going to start with is a duplicate. So if you want to duplicate a project, you can basically just go Control-C and then Control-V, and that will make an entirely new copy. Now the reason you might want to do this is because if you're upgrading from DaVinci Resolve 19 to DaVinci Resolve 20, once you open a project, it will no longer be ready for the older version. So that's something to be aware of. If you upgrade an individual project, you won't be able to use it in an older version of DaVinci Resolve ever again. So that is one reason you might want to make a backup. Now you can do this for the entire selection of your library as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So if we go to this little icon here, projects, we'll go to this screen right here, and this will allow you to make a full backup or a full duplicate of your entire library. So it's straightforward. Just click backup, choose a file location. We're going to select this one, go save. And we've got a project library backup. So click backup and Resolve will make a quick backup. Again, you can do the exact same thing for duplicate. So just click duplicate. It'll do the exact same thing. It'll only take a few seconds and you'll get an entire duplicate copy of all your projects. Now, if you want to restore them, that's also pretty straightforward. Just click this icon right here, the little restore icon, and then load up your file. So clicking that one there, opening it, will load up your new batch of whatever you just previously saved. And just remember, if you upgrade a project to a newer version of DaVinci Resolve, you won't be able to open it in an older version. So make sure you're aware of that.